Disney just integrated Lorcana into Festival of the Arts for the first time ever, and you can get 3 exclusive promo cards, 2 of them completely free. But Questbooks have been running out as early as 11 a.m., so if you want to do this, you need to know exactly what to do and when to show up. Disney created 2 Lorcana activities for the festival. The Collection Quest, where you open booster packs and trade cards with other guests, and the Ink and Find Scavenger Hunt, where you search for giant Lorcana cards hidden around EPCOT. And here's the best part. You don't need to know anything about Lorcana or how to play the game to participate. It's all about collecting and trading, and Disney made it super accessible for everyone. Complete the Collection Quest, you get Donald Duck Pie Slinger. Complete Ink and Find, and you get Rapunzel, Appreciate Artist. Buy an Illumineer Throw for $50 and you get Stitch, Rockstar. All 3 are exclusive Magical Places Rarity cards you can only get at this festival. How to get your Questbook. Head to the distribution station on the bridge between World Celebration and World Showcase. Distribution starts at 9 a.m. every day while supplies last. Here's what you need to know. Opening weekend, Questbooks were running out between 1 to 2 p.m., but when we went on Saturday, January 24th, they ran out at 11 a.m. Get there as close to 9 a.m. as possible, especially on weekends or if you plan to visit EPCOT once during the festival. Questbooks reset every day at 9 a.m., so if you miss out, come back the next morning. When you pick up your Questbook, you'll also get a free booster pack with 12 random cards. How does the Collection Quest work? Open your Questbook and you'll find 4 specific cards you need to collect. For us, it was Monsieur Dark, TikTok, Susie, and Sapphire Coil, 3 commons and 1 uncommon. There are 25 different collection quests, so your cards will be different from everyone else's. Disney designed it this way so everybody has different cards to trade. Open your free booster pack, see which cards you got, then trade with other guests to get the rest. Before you start trading, let me quickly explain card rarity, because this is super important if you never played Lorcana before. At the bottom of every card, there is a rarity symbol. These range from common all the way to enchanted. You'll find a rarity guide at the last page of your Questbook. You won't find epic or iconic cards in this pack, as these were introduced in the latest sets. But there's always a chance you might get an enchanted rare card. If you do not trade it away without doing some research first. These cards can be worth a lot of money, and I don't want anyone to accidentally trade away something valuable. If you're not sure, just hold on to it or look it up online before trading. For fair trading, most people suggest trading cards of the same rarity. So trade common for common, rare for rare, and so on. Most of the Collection Quest cards are common and uncommons, so trading should be pretty straightforward. You can trade anywhere, but most people gather at Figment's Inspiration Station at the Odyssey or the Illumineers Lounge in Morocco. We did all of our trading at Figment Station. People were super friendly and trading felt welcoming. Once you collected your 4 cards, you can redeem your promo at Figment's Inspiration Station or the Illumineers Lounge. But I suggest waiting until you complete both quests before redeeming so you can get both promo cards in one trip. Next up is the Ink and Find Scavenger Hunt. This one is pretty straightforward. There are giant Lorcana cards hidden around EPCOT, and your job is to find them all. Your Questbook has a map with text that tell you where each card is located. Well, you'll get a sheet of ink stickers to place on the map as you find them. Find the card, place the sticker, then redeem for Rapunzel promo card. If you don't want spoilers, skip ahead. Otherwise, here's the completed map showing you all the locations. The third promo card, Stitch Rockstar, requires buying an Illumineer Throw for $50 from Disney traders. If you want to collect the Stitch card to complete the set, I think it's worth it. A bonus is you'll get extra packs to open for fun and trading. I will only get the throw for the Stitch card, so if you don't care about it, then I would suggest to skip it and save the $50. Okay, quick pro tips before we wrap up. Arrive at 9 a.m. Seriously, Questbooks are running out fast. Weekdays are better than weekends for avoiding the crowd. Trade by Rarity. Common for common, uncommon for uncommon. It's fair and keeps things fun. Don't trade rare cards without researching them first. You might have something valuable. You don't need to know how to play Lorcana to do this. It's all about collecting and trading, and Disney made it super beginner-friendly. And honestly, Disney nailed this experience. It's designed around fair trading, it's not competitive or money-oriented like other TCGs can be, and it's generally fun for everyone, whether you're a longtime Lorcana player or you never heard of it before today. And that's everything you need to know about the Lorcana experience at Festival of the Arts 2026. If you're heading to EPCOT before February 23rd, definitely give this a try. It's such a cool addition to the festival. If you found this helpful, I love it if you subscribe for more Festival of the Arts content and Disney tips. Let me know in the comments what cards you pulled or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.